You guessed it, it's time for Snacky Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back. We are making a cheat meal today. It is a quick snack, yummy snack, cake batter blondies. I'm a big fan of blondies, big fan of cake batter. This is super, super easy and super, super fast. So you could do this home from work, tired, you want a treat, make it up. Let's get started. Let's get started! There are only 5 ingredients to this recipe. Cake mix. I like the white cake. It has sprinkles in it already. I don't have to add them. You can add more if you want more sprinkles. Have it at it. The recipe called for 1/3 of a cup of half and half. I used heavy cream because it's thicker and I think it would be better. The ingredients also called for 1/4 of a cup of oil. I like using butter instead. My choice. 1 egg and a bag of white chocolate chips. Brought to you by Ghirardelli. We have our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and now we're going to add the following. 1 bag of cake mix of your choosing. 1 egg. 1/4 cup of oil or butter. 1/3 of a cup of half and half or heavy cream. Stir thoroughly. It's nice and thick. Now you can add the chocolate chips. Stir thoroughly. I thoroughly greased up this little 11 by 7 inch pan, and I'm going to dump all of the goodness out. Now we're ready to put it in the oven. Woo! Bye! So we're going to set the timer for 20 minutes. And we'll check it then, and if it's ready to come out, it'll come out. You don't want it to be all the way cooked. You kind of still want it to be gooey in the middle. And see how it comes out. Woo. Hour, 20 minutes is just about up. So we're going to go ahead. Check. Still gooey. Still gooey. I'm going to put it on for 5 more minutes. Okay, so our time is up. I took it out. Here's the finished product. It's still pretty tender, but it said that you're supposed to take it out when it's still gooey in the middle, not all the way cooked, which is pretty good. There are some spots that are coming up dry. Some spots that are coming up still gooey. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited to try it. Sadly, we have to let it cool thoroughly before we eat it. But when it's time, you know where we'll be. Tell me how it is.
Delicious.
What's so great about it?
The taste.
I mixed whipped cream together with icing. And I made myself a, I don't know, it's like dipping sauce. It's delicious.
It's so good.
It is the perfect texture. I heated it up in the microwave.
I thought it would be good.
Perfect. Finished as usual.